Okay, so I have a 2016 Subaru Outback 4-cylinder, and I've been getting this metallic metal rattling noise in the rear driver's side. I thought it was heat shields, looked up stuff online, all the heat shields are intact, and when I bang on the muffler makes a little vibration. So I put the cell phone under the car, got in the car, warmed it up, created the situation, and the noise is coming from the muffler from inside. So apparently I found out that there's issues with that because between the process of heating and cooling, a spot weld within or on a baffle inside the muffler could fail, causing this vibration. Solution: Subaru, I think, sometimes replaces the muffler. It's a long time. I bought this certified used. I don't know if they're going to replace it or not, but what I did is I went and ordered a new muffler from LT Aventura, the axle back system. It's a little bit of an upgrade. And let's get to the sound of my muffler. This way you could see and hear what it sounds like in the driveway. I put it in drive, I put it in reverse, I find the right low idle where it replicates the sound, and this is what it sounds like. So hopefully I'll be doing a video on the new muffler upgrade, and we'll see how that works out. The car has about 80,000 miles. I like the car. I'm keeping it till it dies. So look out for the next video. Like and subscribe if this helps you out. Leave a comment if this happened to you and how you figured it out. And thanks for watching.